Dear Dad, sa isa sa mga taong gumagabay at umaalalay sa akin, you are my Superman. You have taught me so many things in life. Tulad ng pagiging matapang. You taught me that being strong doesn't take away being compassionate. You taught me how to be a good person. Kung paanong makisama at makipagkapwa-tao, even in the simplest things like how to ride a bike or to make something like a kite from scratch. Yun bang simpleng pagiging madiskarte sa buhay? I learned that from you. You are one of the greatest idols that I will ever have in my whole life. I admire how you protect our family. Totoo talaga ang sinasabi nila na ang ama ang haligi ng isang tahanan. And for that, I thank you. Thank you for always being there, for always having the right words to say. Salamat sa pag-aalaga, pagbabantay, pagsundo, at pagmamahal. For all the times that I just can't figure out things by myself, you're there, leading me to the right path. Nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo sa lahat ng mga bagay na binigay at binibigay mo sa akin. To all the values that you've embedded in me, salamat. Sobrang salamat. I can't be more thankful to you for just being you. There have been so many times that I have failed you, pero nandyan ka pa din. Pinapakita mo sa akin na kaya ko, na I'm always capable of the things I didn't even know I can do. Salamat sa pagpaparamdam ng pagmamahal mo for me even in ways that I don't feel through the way I want to. Thank you. Kulang mga salita para maparamdam ko sa iyo ang pagpapasalamat at pagmamahal ko. Saludo ako sa iyo. And today, we are celebrating your and every Father's Day. I hope I make you feel loved and important through this letter. Happy Father's Day, Dad! I love you!